Hello, and welcome to the mindfulness program through Smart Medical Solutions Virtual Reality. This program was developed in clinical settings. This is not the complete clinical program, but is a basic program for you to learn mindfulness with. First of all, to introduce you to mindfulness, why would you be interested in mindfulness? What does it mean? Well, mindfulness helps with relaxation. Mindfulness has been shown to reduce anxiety and depression. It's been to help people deal with pain. Through focused awareness, we've seen people have healthier brains, less dementia, less cognitive issues, better focus, improved function. There's been lots of great things, including benefits like improved gratitude, empathy, compassion, and self-compassion. Most of the people that have come to our program have done a mindfulness program because they have specific issues and they desire stress reduction and anxiety reduction. This program was developed for that. This is a portion of that program, and what we are going to do is work on the really basic first step of the program, which is basic mindfulness. So what is mindfulness? Mindfulness is developing intentional awareness and focus, observing the self, observing your experience, being awake to life. This helps you break out of the habits of the mind and develop a new state of mind, transform into a new state of mind. Basically, through the meditation process, which is your practice, you then transform into a mindful state. Now, meditation is the exercise of mindfulness. It's the practice. It's the basics. And how do we meditate? Well, go to a quiet place. You can do it any time, any style, any position. But our program is based for you to sit in a chair and stay in our virtual reality safe place and meditate. We'll give you some guidance, and this is the start of the program, so we'll have a really brief 10-minute meditation, and then you can progress through our longer meditations. Again, the whole idea is through the meditation, you can learn to improve your mental condition by practicing meditation and focused awareness, learning to pause and learning to let go of the noise. You can develop a mindful state. So let's talk about that for just a brief moment. Thoughts are just thoughts, and they race through your head. So as you meditate, we're going to learn to let go of those thoughts and bring yourself back to the actual moment, to be aware of what your focus is. When you go into your day-to-day routine, you can try to stay mindful. You can observe the actual and stay in the moment and not be distracted by the fears and uncertainties of the future and the regrets and the resentments of the past. So some of the concepts that I want to go over in this introduction is that we focus our attention on this moment. We will observe our experience, let go of resistance, release resistance, accept our reality, and just let go of the noise. Be non-judgmental, be non-critical. Remember that thoughts are just thoughts. Emotions can pass by, that everything is impermanent. Just stay in the moment and let it flow. Let go of the noise and stay focused on your meditative experience. It's okay to struggle at first, everyone does. The mind wanders. You can do this with practice. So we're going to start to meditate. Now today, in our meditation, we're going to breathe, then we're going to do a simple mantra, and then we're going to do a body scan. So, breathing is one of the simplest ways to meditate. So you'll close your eyes, focus on your breath. I personally like to focus on as the air passes through my nose and the aroma, the temperature, the taste, does it tickle the hairs? I like to just focus on that, and then you can focus on other aspects of your breath, your chest, the breath out, but choose a focus. Then we'll do some breathing. Then we'll move into a mantra. The mantra will be very simple. You can choose one when you meditate on your own, but we're going to use breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. And we want to do normal breathing. Don't want to be judgmental, don't want to be critical, just normal breathing, stay in the actual moment. Then we'll move to a body scan. So that's what we're going to do today. Let us begin. Make sure you're in a comfortable position, your feet flat on the ground, your hands in a comfortable position. Hopefully the virtual reality equipment is comfortable. And now, close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Breathe in relaxation and out tension. Focus on your breath. I'm going to focus on this aspect as I breathe through my nose. And if your mind wanders, bring yourself back to your focus. And with eyes closed and in a comfortable position, just breathe. Now, if your mind wanders, bring yourself back. If thoughts are intruding, just let them pass like clouds in the sky. Don't be critical of them. Let them go. Let go of the noise. Focus on this moment. And open your eyes and keep focused on your breath, but also be aware of your surroundings. Open your awareness up. Now in this relaxed state, let's begin our mantra. Say to yourself, breathe in, With the in-breath, breathe out with the out-breath. Breathe in, breathe out, and if your mind wanders, bring it back to the focus of your breath and your mantra, enjoying this relaxed state. Now, let's begin to scan our body and become in tune with it more. We want to be aware if there's tension or if there's relaxation. So we'll start at the top. What does your head feel like? What does the top of your head feel like? Can you feel air? You feel the temperature? Is there a tightness? Now, let's move down to the top of your head, your eye area. Is it relaxed? Is your forehead relaxed? Is the eye area tense? What about your jaw? Is it clenched? Is it relaxed? Scan the head area for relaxation and tension and sensation. You feel any sweat, any itching, any sensations. Just observe them, accept them, and release resistance. Most of us keep a lot of tension in our neck, so let's scan the neck area. Observe. Now, let's breathe in relaxation and out tension. And how does the neck area feel now? Has it changed? Let's scan the neck area. Now let's move to the chest. Can you feel your clothing as it moves across it in your breathing? Scan your abdomen. And your right shoulder. Your right elbow. Is it sitting on something? Is it comfortable? Your right hand. Can you feel it resting? Is there a different temperature? Is there any pain? Any perspiration? Now your left hand, your left elbow, your left shoulder, and scan your upper back for any sensation. And move to your lower back, where we often hold quite a bit of tension. And again, let's take a deep breath. Breathing in relaxation and out tension, and see if there's any change in the lower back area. Again, let's breathe in relaxation, out tension, and note any changes. Now let's observe your legs, your upper legs. Do you feel your buttocks and upper legs sitting on a chair? You feel the sensation and the touch of what you're sitting on? What about your right knee? Is there any pain or sensations? Your left knee? Your right leg? Your right foot? Do you feel it on the floor? Is it comfortable? Your left leg? Your left foot? Now observe any sensations scanning from your toes up to your head. Do you feel relaxed? Has there been changes? If there's an area that's still tense, take a deep breath and breathe in relaxation and out tension, and try to see what the difference is. See if you can note what relaxation feels like versus tension. Have you entered into a relaxed state? Scan again from your toes to your head, slowly, and then back from your head to your toes. Note any sensations. And as we close this introductory experience, just wiggle our hands and our toes. And now let's sit and observe. Taking deep breaths, feeling relaxation. I hope you've enjoyed session 1.